Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Hope it doesn't look entirely crazy in the background. So this is gonna be like a different type of video, if you can tell by the title. Yeah, let's get into it. So basically, in a nutshell, right, I hate cleaning, and you know, it's nice to know that I'm not alone when it comes to that feeling. I've been watching a lot of clean with me type videos and have come across a lot of people who have the same issue, but as you all know, it's just something that's necessary to do. And so in watching these videos, it kind of motivated me to, I guess, find a way to not necessarily enjoy cleaning, but just to get to a point where I guess we can coexist together and be friends. It sounds crazy, but yeah, basically watching my friend April's video, if you guys will know her as April Athena 7 on YouTube, she's amazing, love her. Watching her clean with me videos has just motivated me to get my life together, okay? And she has talked endlessly about a company called Grove Collaborative, and I decided to make my first order, partly because I needed some new cleaning stuff, which I really did. I was running out, and I wanted to find something that was a little more environmentally friendly. I kind of started to get rid of certain chemical type products in our household maybe like a year and a half ago, and yeah, here we are. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so I went to Target a few days ago to get some other cleaning stuff. These are items that I did not have on my list, and again, I needed some cleaning stuff and just couldn't wait for my shipment to get in. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Grove Collaborative. My husband's gonna look at this video and be like, really babe, you bought cleaning supplies? But we needed them. So the first thing we're gonna start with, this is by Method. This is the dish soap in the scent Lime and Sea Salt. That is what this looks like. As you can see, I've already used it. I actually like this scent. I don't know if my husband's gonna like this. He loves his Dawn, so I still have it here, and it will be here when he comes home. I'm just gonna keep purchasing this, and then from there, I guess we'll kind of see what happens as far as, you know, how he'll really feel about it. And then I also bought the Method All-Purpose Surface Cleaner, same scent. And it looks like this. I like this spray too, but what I also picked up with it, because I didn't know that this one was an antibacterial and that they had something separate, so I went ahead and got the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner, but it's in a different scent. You would think, since they're both green, although the liquid is green in here, but this has like a green cover. Anyways, one would assume that this is like the same scent, but it's not. The Anti-Bac is in the scent Bamboo, and I actually haven't smelled this. I haven't even used this, to be honest with you, so. I'm not good with describing scents, but to me it kind of smells like the same thing, so they could have just called it the same thing. So the next thing I got, again, these are all Method products. This is the Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner, and this is in Spearmint. I didn't think I was going to like this. You know, you just don't really think about spearmint being in your bathroom as a bathroom cleaner. But I actually like this. I used it right away. It actually smells quite pleasant. It's better than some of the other scents that I grew up smelling. Like, for instance, my mom, and I don't mean to throw her under the bus, she loves Pine Sol. I've never liked the smell of Pine Sol. I felt as if it always gave me a headache. It was just way too strong, burning my nostrils, and therefore burning my insides. So if I can find something that's a little more pleasant as far as smell is concerned and it works well, I'm with it. So I'm a fan of that. I also got the Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner. It's in the same scent. I actually haven't used this yet because it's in the same scent. I feel like I'm gonna like it, but I haven't, you know, necessarily tested it out yet. I also got the Method Bathroom Cleaner, because again, they have two different situations. Like, can we put these together? This is the Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner, and this is the regular, and it's in a different scent, but it has the blue coloring on the outside too. This is in Eucalyptus Mint. I haven't smelled this one either, so we're gonna give it a sniff. Honestly, it kind of smells like mouthwash, like Listerine, but like not in a bad way. It's doable. How about that? Now I got this because April talks about this. And this is the Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. Oh, this is in the scent Spearmint Sage, but it looks like this. What you do with this floor cleaner is, so you're supposed to like pull this up, squirt it on the floor, and then you just wipe your floor. You don't need any water or anything. And we have wood floors, but I'm saying wood because I don't think it's real wood, but you know, I still feel like I should probably clean it. I'm always scared to like put anything on the floor because we're renting. No one's trying to damage anything to the point where they can't get their deposits back, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try this. It should be fine. Anyhow, we're gonna smell this as well. That actually smells good. It smells like some type of Bath and Body Works candle. I cannot think of it, and I'm probably not gonna think of it, but just know it smells like one of the Bath and Body Works candles. And then the last thing I got is the laundry detergent in ginger mango. And that's what this looks like, and as you can see, I've already used some of it. Now, I have tried natural detergents before, and I haven't been able to find one that just makes me want to give up my Gain, because I'm a Gain girl. I love my Gain. So I wanted to try this because I saw another person's channel or their cleaning video, and she was talking about how she is an avid lover and user of Gain, and this made her give up Gain. Now I will say, it smells good. However, to get the scent out, you have to use like a good amount. So I don't know, the jury is still out on this one. Anyhow, now we're going to get into this box, and it's a pretty heavy box. But when I got to my door, because I just got home, this is why you're getting a video with no makeup and anything, because I got home and this was waiting for me at my door. It came a day early. But look, it has my name on it. It says, "Thank you, Martinique." I thought that was cute. So let's open her. So Grove Collaborative is just a website and where you can get basically environmentally safe products or natural products. A lot of these you can find at Target, but I have learned just by watching people's videos that they have a lot of scents that you can't get in the store. So I'm gonna take full advantage, okay? All right. So it comes with this little card. It says, "Every little thing in your home should deserve its place in your home." So this is what the card looks like. It's cute. Very cute. I'm gonna have to hang this up. Is that weird? So this just basically tells you how Grove works. It says, "Getting started with Grove. Stay on top of your healthy habits with a monthly care package for your home." I'm not gonna be doing this monthly because I don't, first of all, it's just me and my husband. We don't have any kids, so I don't think we're necessarily gonna go through cleaning products like the average home with kids. So it won't be monthly for me. It says, "Natural, made simple, customize your monthly shipment and never run out of healthy home essentials again." Comes with timely reminders. It says, "We'll remind you twice before an order is ready to ship. You can edit your package and delay or cancel a shipment anytime." What I did was turn off auto shipment because again, I don't think I'm gonna need these all like monthly. I don't think so. Plus, I don't even know what I'm gonna like. So they have tools and accessories, cleaning products, laundry products, and personal care products. I'm probably just gonna stick to the cleaning products, but we'll see. And it comes with another card. I'm just gonna read it. It says, "Hi, I'm Amanda. Hey Amanda, I don't know if you'll ever see this video. And I'm excited to introduce myself as your dedicated Grove guide. Hey, I'm here to help take the guesswork out of what's right for your home and guide you to the products that actually deserve a place in it. Email or text me anytime." I actually got a text from her after I made my order, and she was like, "Hey, this is Amanda, da 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 da. Text me if you have any questions." And when I got it, I was like, I responded back just like this. I was like, "Oh my God, this is so cool. I hope you have a fantabulous day." She probably saw that text message like, "This girl's crazy." It says, "A bit about me. I'm from Lodi, California, and currently live in the Nob Hill neighborhood of San Francisco. I keep busy traveling, going to movies, and wandering museums." So that's cool that they have something like that where you can reach someone. First thing on top, people have spoken so highly of this. This is the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. This is, oh, it comes with two. I was about to say, this is huge. 2-pack made from renewable plant materials. This is what it looks like. It says use and care, non-abrasive and perfect for use on cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances. Top rack dishwasher safe. I've never washed sponges in dishwasher. That's new for me. So this came free, I think. Next thing, oh my God, I don't know where to start in this box. So I got another Squirt and Mop hard floor cleaner, but this is in the scent Lemon Ginger. I like how they protected this. However, I feel film on it, so some of it probably leaked during transit. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna sniff it. I think this is what I smell. Oh, that smells good. That's what I was smelling. Some of it got on the outside. I really don't know if I should be sniffing these products, but this smells really good. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's very nice. Can't wait to put that on my floor. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. Okay, so the next thing I see is the Grove Collaborative Stoneware Tray. I think this came free, but this is what the box looks like. It's like a decorative dish that you can stick like your soap. Let me back up. Your soap and stuff on, and then it has then it has Grove Collaborative on it. So that's cute. Okay, so the next thing, I don't remember putting this in, but I have another little laundry detergent to try, again in the same scent, Ginger Mango. I got the Mrs. Meyer's hand lotion. This is in lemon verbena? That's what this looks like. I've never smelled this scent because Target, I swear they only have lavender and something else. Oh, I was not expecting that. I don't think my husband, wait, I kind of feel like I still smell that floor cleaner. Hold on. No, it smells good. I don't think my husband will like this though. Okay, so I bought this because April talked about how much she loves the new scent. This is limited edition. This is a Grove exclusive product, but it's by Mrs. Meyer's, but it's in the scent Compassion Flower. So I got this because April kept talking about it. This is the hand soap, so let me see what this is all about. Oh, that does smell good. Ooh, okay. And I think I got 2 sets of these. So I got the actual like whole set with everything, and then I think I got each individual product because I was listening to April because I trust her. I got the same thing in the dish soap. And then I have the multi-surface cleaner. I wonder if this is like a stronger smell. Let me see. Oh, that smells the same. That really does smell good. And then I have the room freshener. I think I only have one of these. And then again, I have another multi-surface cleaner and then another hand soap. What I did notice is that as a set, it doesn't have the lotion. So what's up? Can we get the lotion? Compassion Flower. Okay, I also got the all-purpose cleaner. I think this is a concentrate. Twist off top and dispense into 16-ounce Grove silicone sleeve spray bottle. Fill bottle with water. Replace. Oh, okay, and I think this came with I think this was free too, and it came with a spray bottle, but this is the little tube. Yeah, and then this is the actual glass bottle that it comes in, which I'm not a stranger to glass spray bottles. This one was just free with my order. So it's got like a green. Oh, it has a gray silicone sleeve on the bottom, gray, which is fine with me. Actually, our kitchen, like our little mitts and whatnot, it's actually gray. So this actually goes with our decor, even though there's not much decor in here, but it goes with it. And I just have a few more things. I also got the Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush set. So that's what the box looks like. The videos that I've seen, people swear by this, and I got it because I just don't know. This is like a ceramic dish, and this is the little sponge that sits on top of it, on top of here. So what you're supposed to do, and I'm new to this, but you're supposed to put like soap on top of here, add the water, because this is like a spring. And then when you go to wash your dishes, you just press this in and just go to town. That's just different. I've never, you know, seen something like this. This is what the little spring looks like. You know, I'm just trying something new. They have one for like the sponge. I feel like I would like that better, but this is cute, you know. It's gonna go in a little dish. And then two more things. One I'm really excited about, I got it on purpose. So this is the 7th generation disinfecting wipes lemongrass scent. And I like wipes, so. Yeesh. Ooh, I don't think I like this scent. I'm gonna use them because I bought them, but I don't like that one. Oh God, that's stronger than I thought. Now the last thing I got, someone's gonna think I'm being silly for this. This is a glass laundry dispenser. Now I know what you're thinking, glass laundry dispenser. Okay, so I bought this because I am someone who probably puts way too much laundry detergent, and this basically measures it out for you. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's actually really cute. I don't know if this makes me bougie or what, but I just thought it was cute. Sometimes cute stuff makes you buy it. So we're gonna see how it goes. But this is what it looks like. So you fill it up to the max level, which is here, and it's going to dispense how much laundry detergent you're supposed to use. I just thought it was cute, so I bought it. But yeah, I just thought this was like really cute. I will say this handle is thinner than I thought it would be, considering this is glass, and you can lock it and unlock it. There's like little indicators here when you. I just thought it was cute, and I was like, why not? My husband's gonna be like, really, girl? That is all that I have for you guys today. Let me know if you like this kind of video, or do you think this is just like extra? But you know, I'm getting older. My channel has to grow with me, and this is just completely out of my comfort zone. But you know, I'm hoping some of this will just continue to motivate me to be able to enjoy cleaning of some sort. So also I will say, if you guys have been curious about Glow Collaborative, I think for the most part I like it, because I didn't really have to like run to Target to find some of this stuff. And let's be honest, sometimes stuff's out of stock, and everything on their website is pretty affordable. I did not break the bank at all buying any of these, and you get so many free products, so it's kind of like worth it. So if you were curious about Grove Collaborative, I hope, you know, this, you know, helped your curiosity in some way, shape, or form. If you're someone like me who's been watching cleaning videos, let me know who's your favorite people to watch. I'm gonna link below who I've been watching, and of course April is, as well, because she's really the reason why I decided to try this out. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. If you have any questions, I might be able to answer. If not, I'll probably direct you to April, because she knows more about this than I do. But that is all that I have for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumb it up, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be notified of the next time that I do upload. And yeah, until the next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.